Yeah, man! Make sandwich with your leftover brown stewed liver. Liver brown stew. Right now, this is cool. So I'm just gonna hot it up on the stove. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just gonna hot it up on the stove. This is after 2 minutes. Ready. To make this sandwich, you could add lettuce, sliced tomato, mayonnaise, ketchup, etc. But the best way to eat a liver sandwich is plain. Just bread and your cooked liver. It's delicious. If you add just mayonnaise as well, that also is delicious. Take the cooked liver pieces and lay it on 2 slices of bread. The bread that I'm using is thin, so I'm using 4 slices of bread. Don't use too much of the gravy, it's going to make the sandwich saggy. Some people would carry a sandwich like this to work. I like to add sliced tomato, but I'm not going to. I'm just going to sprinkle a few drops of ketchup just to give the sandwich a tangy flavor. Some people have it for snack like I am right now in the evening. Right now it's lunchtime for me. Cut your sandwich like this. This is the fancy way Jamaicans eat sandwich. This sandwich is good in the morning for breakfast with tea. The only way I can describe the flavor of the sandwich is that it has a very familiar flavor. It's just a comforting flavor to me because I grew up eating this sandwich. That's all I can say. Try it for yourself and tell us what you think. This is pineapple drink. Go see that video if you haven't already. Try it for yourself and give us your feedback. If you haven't eaten cooked liver as a sandwich, try this. And for those of you who has tried it, let us know your experience. I'm gonna sit and eat the rest of this sandwich. Me gone. Yeah, man.